Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. In the last episode, I started this brand new series on Python. This is an absolute complete tutorial series for absolute beginners. In the last episode, I covered the introduction part. Today, we'll talk about installation and how do you go about it. Let's get started. Before we kickstart, I want to thank each one of you for liking, commenting and subscribing to my channel. If you like my work and tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. Alright, so this is episode number 2. Today we are doing installation of Python. Alright, so first and foremost thing, you can install Python from python.org. That's the website. You will go go to downloads. Now, depending on the machine that you're working on, I'm working on a Mac, so it's suggesting me download for Mac. Important things to know: current version of Python is 3.x, right? The major version is Python 3. If you are running older machines, or let's say you have got a laptop, Windows or something which you don't know, you can type Python hyphen version and it will tell you the version number. If you see the Python version less than 3, like 2 dot something, you need to upgrade. Okay, and the reason is there are a lot of functions, there are a lot of methods which have been added newly in Python 3 which will not be in Python 2. Okay, so make sure you're working on Python 3, because all the tutorials, all the code that I will be writing will be compatible with Python 3. Okay, so go ahead, download it from here, and that should be it. It will download an exe file for you. If you're on Windows, I am on Mac, it will download a DMG file, and I've installed. To work, all you need is also an editor. Now, if you're like me who loves Visual Studio Code, I will continue to use Visual Studio Code as part of this tutorial. However, if you want, you can also use PyCharm. That's another library IDE, but this is for paid version. Okay, it is not free. This is a paid version, so make sure that you check out this and evaluate which one you prefer. But like I said, I cover most of the things and make sure that you don't have to spend your money. We'll continue to use Visual Studio Code and we'll install Python package manager. Okay, so I'll show you that in the next episode when we start coding the extensions that you need. But for today, just go ahead, download Python from python.org, type the command python version. You should see Python 3. Download the editor if you have not already, and make sure that the setup is ready. That's all for today. We'll keep it quick and simple. In the next episode, we start writing our code. We'll start with the hello world. That's the world standard to start any programming language. That being said, thank you so much for joining in this episode. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you like my work and tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.